Have you ever wondered if machines could potentially outsmart us? Well, that's the intriguing world of artificial intelligence we're diving into. It's a realm where machines learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Think of self-driving cars, voice-powered personal assistants, and chess-playing computers. These aren't just sci-fi fantasies but realities of our time, all thanks to AI. But what really makes AI such a captivating subject? It's the curiosity it arouses in us, the potential it holds to revolutionize our world. We find ourselves asking, can machines really mimic human intelligence? Could they ever develop a consciousness of their own? How far can we push the boundaries of this technology? As we grapple with these questions, we delve deeper into the labyrinth of AI, uncovering new insights and sparking even more questions. The journey to understanding AI is just as fascinating as the technology itself. The concept of AI isn't as modern as you might think. The seeds of artificial intelligence were sown centuries ago, long before the first computer was even conceptualized. The idea of creating machines that could mimic human behavior has fascinated thinkers and inventors for ages. Consider the ancient Greeks who built complex mechanical devices such as the Antikythera mechanism, an astronomical calculator dated back to the 2nd century BC. Or in the 13th century, when the Spanish polymath Ramon Llull imagined a machine that could use logical operations to create knowledge. Fast forward to the 18th century, and we see the advent of automatons, self-operating machines that mimicked human activity. One of the most famous examples is the Mechanical Turk, an automaton that could play chess against a human opponent. Despite being a hoax, there was a human chess master hidden inside. The Mechanical Turk captured the public's imagination. It represented a machine that could not only mimic human actions, but also outperform us in intellectual tasks. The early 19th century saw the birth of the concept of programmability with Charles Babbage's analytical engine, a general-purpose mechanical computer. Babbage, together with Ada Lovelace, who is often credited as the world's first computer programmer, envisioned a machine that could follow a series of instructions, a fundamental concept in modern computing and AI. However, these early incarnations of AI were limited by the technology of their times. They were mechanical, not digital, and their capabilities were constrained by the lack of computing power and a theoretical framework for AI. The real leap towards the AI we know today came in the mid-20th century. With the advent of digital computers and the development of theories of computation and algorithms, the stage was set for the birth of modern AI. The term artificial intelligence itself was coined in 1956, marking the start of a new era in the history of technology. But the real evolution of AI as we know it today began in the mid-20th century. The 1950s marked a turning point in the development of AI. The dawn of modern artificial intelligence was ushered in by the advent of the digital computer. This was a game changer. Suddenly, we had machines capable of executing complex calculations at incredible speed. But they were more than mere calculators. For the first time in history, we had machines that could store and process information, opening up a world of possibilities. This era saw the birth of the first AI program. It was designed to mimic human intelligence, a concept that was both fascinating and frightening. This program could play a simple game of checkers, but its significance was far greater than just a parlor trick. It was proof that machines could learn and adapt. The seeds of artificial intelligence had been sown. One cannot talk about the dawn of AI without mentioning key figures who played pivotal roles. Alan Turing, a British mathematician and logician, was one of them. His work laid the groundwork for the digital computer and AI. He proposed a simple question: can machines think? This question, known as the Turing test, still influences AI research today. Turing was not alone. John McCarthy, regarded as the father of AI, coined the term artificial intelligence and pioneered its study. He believed that every aspect of learning or any feature of intelligence can be so precisely described that a machine can simulate it. His work has inspired countless researchers and continues to guide the field of AI. Claude Shannon, another pioneer, applied Boolean logic to the design of switching circuits, laying the foundation for digital computers. His work on information theory has had profound implications for AI and data transmission. These pioneers, along with many others, were at the forefront of a technological revolution. They laid the groundwork for the AI that we know today. Their ideas, their inventions, their vision. All of this combined to set the stage for the explosive growth of artificial intelligence. This was just the beginning of a revolution in technology. From a simple concept, AI has grown into a complex field. A journey that began in the 1950s, the evolution of artificial intelligence has been nothing short of mesmerizing. In the beginning, AI was a theoretical concept, a dream of scientists and futurists. They envisioned machines that could mimic human intelligence, a concept introduced by Alan Turing and his contemporaries. This was the era of rule-based systems, where machines followed preset instructions to perform tasks. However, their abilities were limited, and they lacked the ability to learn or adapt. Then came the 1980s and 90s, a golden era of innovation, and with it, the birth of machine learning. Instead of following rigid instructions, machines now had the ability to learn from data. They could improve their performance over time, much like a human learning a new skill. This was a significant leap forward, but the best was yet to come. The dawn of the new millennium introduced us to neural networks, a concept inspired by our understanding of the human brain. These networks, made up of interconnected nodes or neurons, allowed machines to recognize patterns in vast amounts of data. This was a game changer, paving the way for advancements like facial recognition and natural language processing. The most recent development in our journey is deep learning. This takes the concept of neural networks to another level entirely. Deep learning involves the use of multiple layers of neural networks, allowing machines to make sense of incredibly complex patterns. This has led to breakthroughs in fields like autonomous driving and disease diagnosis. In just over 7 decades, we've gone from simple rule-based systems to machines capable of learning and understanding complex patterns. It's a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the human spirit. Today, AI is an integral part of our lives, even if we don't always realize it. It's in our phones, powering our search engines, guiding our vehicles, and even helping doctors diagnose diseases. The evolution of AI is a fascinating tale of progress and innovation, and we're only just beginning to explore its potential. AI is no longer a concept of the future, but a reality of the present. Let's delve into its current applications across a variety of fields. In healthcare, AI is playing a pivotal role. It's helping doctors analyze complex medical data to diagnose diseases and suggest treatments. Machine learning algorithms can predict health issues before they become serious, saving countless lives. From wearable fitness trackers to AI-powered diagnostic tools, artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare, making it more personalized and efficient. In finance, AI is revolutionizing the way we handle money. With the help of AI, financial institutions can now predict market trends with striking accuracy. AI-driven robo-advisors are providing investment advice, making wealth management accessible to all. Fraud detection has also improved significantly, with AI systems identifying suspicious activities in real time, keeping our money safe. When it comes to entertainment, AI is behind the scenes, curating personalized content and enhancing our experiences. Ever wondered how Netflix knows what you might like to watch next, or how Spotify recommends songs that you end up loving? That's AI working its magic. It's also enabling the creation of realistic visual effects in movies and video games, taking our entertainment experience to a whole new level. And let's not forget transportation. AI is the driving force behind autonomous vehicles. It's helping us navigate through traffic, optimizing routes and making our journeys safer and more efficient. From Tesla's self-driving cars to drone deliveries, AI is reshaping the way we move. AI has indeed made our lives easier and more efficient. It's not an overstatement to say that AI is transforming our world, but remember, we're still in the early stages of this AI revolution. The potential of AI is vast and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface. So where does this leave us in the grand scheme of things? We've journeyed from the birth of artificial intelligence, witnessing its humble beginnings. We've seen it grow, evolve, and transform over the years into the modern AI that we're familiar with today. It's fascinating to observe how this technology has been integrated into our daily lives, silently influencing various sectors such as healthcare, finance, and transportation, to name a few. The impact of AI today is undeniable, and it's clear that this is just the tip of the iceberg. As we move forward, we can expect artificial intelligence to become even more intertwined with our lives, potentially revolutionizing the way we interact with the world around us. But remember, with such power comes great responsibility. We must navigate this new era with caution, ensuring that we harness AI's potential in a way that benefits all of humanity. As we continue to explore and understand AI, one thing is certain: the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination.